Right now you are having a plant. See, we are having a plant, money plant. It is called money plant. And as we came to know in the textbook that when we planted a plant into a water, what is the effect of water on the leaves of the plant? Okay, let's start. See, this is the plant which I have planted into a transparent glass bottle. I have poured, it is almost full with water, and I have put this plant before a week. Maybe it has passed 10 days. So let's check now. What is the situation of the plant? The plant is quite healthy. It's good. It's so nice in situation. See, but as I told you, when I planted the plant in this bottle, at that time the stem has no root at all. But right now, see, can you see this? Can you see this? This is a root which is grown up. It is almost of 2 or 3 inches. Let me take it out so that you can see it very well. See, when I poured this, at that time the stem has no root, but right now it has 2 or 3 roots. See, one here and secondly here. Can you see it? Okay. So when I planted this plant into a water bottle, at that time it has no root, but right now it has 2 or 3 roots which are very healthy, and due to that the condition of a plant is quite healthy. Now a stem has two street ways in it. A stem consists two street ways in it. As right now the work of root, it is called tap root. The work of root is, the root consists all the nutrients and fertilizers from the soil or water, and then it passes to the stem. Now stem's duty starts. The stem the stem uh, the root consists all these things and passes to the stem. Now the stem will send it to the leaves. See, these are the leaves, and leaves will prepare food in the presence of sunlight, and it prepares food. Along with that, it also vapor the water in the atmosphere. It gives us oxygen too and absorbs nitrogen from the atmosphere, so that is good for us, and that's why the human beings can survive on the earth so nicely. So this is the thing. Now, as I told you, the stems are having two ways in it. Root will pass nutrients to stem. Stem passes to the leaves. Now leaves will prepare food for the plant, and then again the leaves send the food which it has prepared to the stem. Now has two ways, as I told you. Stem has two ways. One, for getting such materials from the root. Second, getting such materials from the or food from the leaves. So the stem will pass that food to the spot where it is necessary to store in a plant. So these are the places, let me show you, these are the places where this plant has stored such food. See, this is one place. Can you see this? This is one place where a plant has stored the food. This is another one. This is two. This one is also. These two things and these two spots where plant has stored food for the betterment of the plant. So now from there these spots will start to grow up, and there we will get a leaf. Now let's come to the second point. See the change of these leaves. See, can you identify such a change in these leaf than the other other leaves of the plants? Let me show you exactly such examples of other leaves. Let me show you such other leaves of my little garden of my house. See all these leaves. Check it properly. See all these leaves. How beautiful are these, no? And these are the kitchens, huh? These are the kitchens, the giant kitchen of a tree. We can say that canteen. And these are the different canteens, and all different canteens uh, prepare or cooks good food for a plant. So, as you saw the other leaves, now just check these leaves. All these leaves are different than those. Why is it so? Uh, as you have gone through, or I have taught you, the procedure of cooking food is called photosynthesis and photosynthesis. And again, let me tell you that a leaf has one layer inside of it which gives it green color. That I will ask you surely tomorrow. This is the question for you that I will ask you tomorrow in the class. So you have to be prepared with the answer. So see, not only these leaf, but most of the leaves are having such different color. Can you see? Can you see the different colors? Even a new leaf is a new leaf, baby leaf it is called, which is going to born within couple of days. So these leaves are getting white color inside of it. If I will add in this bottle blue color or red color, ultimately these blue or red color will be seen in the leaves color also, leaves color of this plant within couple of days. So this is the topic which we have learnt in the class, but we could not do this experiment in the school due to such limitations of time and everything. But I prepared this at my home for you all. And my dear students, I think that you can understand what I mean to say, and what I have taught you, you can understand very well. We will surely discuss it in the class tomorrow. As I was absent today, so I thought my students may not suffer with the topic, and we have to complete the topic as early as possible, as the unit test is knocking at the door. So I hope you understand very well, and I have given one question. Which thing consists the leaves of a tree inside of it? Check the question and come with the answer tomorrow. Thank you. Good night, my dear students.